It's not like the average Joe is gonna be like, that's way too much money to spend on a pair of jeans. I'm just gonna go down to my local factory and whittle me some denim jeans. Hey there, fashion friends. Today we're talking about how to get a discount when you buy designer denim. Okay, so let's just start off by talking about why I love designer denim so much. They are an expert in that field, which means that they are focusing a great deal on the details of the denim, whether that be the cut, the construction, the fabric, because that is their identity, that is their brand. And the other thing that I love about designer denim is because of their quality of construction and fabric, they are a lot more sustainable. So the pluses of buying designer denim versus just your average pair of jeans, that it holds a certain value, it holds a certain status, I guess you could say. But the negative with that is that it does normally hold a higher price tag because of that value. So with that positive and negative, it brings me to my main point. How can you get designer denim with a discount? If there is a new pair of, let's say, mother denim that I really would like to buy, I normally look in my closet and think, okay, because I have the rule of thumb that when I buy something new, I get rid of something old of mine. One for one kind of tit for tat kind of thing. So already I know I'm gonna be getting rid of something. Is there a pair of designer denim that I don't wear anymore, that I haven't worn, let's say, for the last 3 months is kind of my rule of thumb. And of course, for this to work, you have to have somewhat of a bank of designer denim. So you take that old pair of jeans and you sell it. Now there's a few different options of selling, but my favorite is eBay. Just effortless, user-friendly app. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. I have a pair of mother denim that I would like to sell that I've had for a few years now. I'm just not wearing them enough. Let's take these black pair of mother denim and sell them on eBay. So the first thing you're gonna do is wanna do the photos. So for photos, I cannot say how important photos are. Clearly, like when you're trying to buy something, what do? You look at the photos. I'm always gonna go for the item that has the better photos. Like if you have some just like ghetto looking photos with like the jeans draped over some scuzzy looking couch, no. Just take a little bit of extra time getting pictures of the tags to show this is mother denim or whatever brand it is, size tag, just little details of the jean. It's pretty straightforward. The app basically will walk you through the whole entire process. Go to the bottom, click selling, click the button that says list an item, and the first thing it's gonna do is have you do the title. Okay, so then once you establish the title, it'll kind of bring you to the whole sort of breakdown of the listing. I'm all about giving as much detail as possible to make sure I'm really bringing home that sale. Just closing deals. And then it brings you to the pricing. For me, I always do buy it now because I don't want to mess around with auctions. I'm not an auctioneer, so I just want you to buy it now, okay? And then you can choose your shipping. I normally like to do seller pays for shipping because I just do like a flat rate. Then it just kind of makes it more appealing to the buyer. Closing that deal. Lastly, you just click that list your item button and you're off. That much closer to getting your new pair of designer denim. Okay, so in the end, I purchased the Looker ankle fray for $210, and just from my past experiences selling designer denim, I could definitely get $90 to $100 for these jeans. So let's say I purchase another pair of new denim for the same amount of $210 minus that $90 that I received from selling the jeans. That equals $120, giving you a 43% discount. That is how to get a discount on designer denim. Always buy quality, take care of what you got, and you'll see the benefits. Comment below if there's anything specific you'd like to see on this channel. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.